Tasks, methods of anatomy study. The anatomy. The human anatomy can be studied methodically in different ways and separate systems. Describe only the external shape of a person. Study of the structure of organs and systems depending on their functions. Study the relative position of systems and organs with taking into account age and individual characteristics. Study the structure of organs at different age periods. Study the condition and shape of the organs in pathology process. Study and comparison of structural features of various organs, humans and animals. The methods and types of anatomy. The methods divided four types. There are microscopic, second one developmental, third one comparative, fourth one gross methods. The Microsoft method with a magnification. There are cytology and histology. Cytology is internal structure of cells. Histology, study of tissues. Development methods, changes in form between conception and maturity. Both Microsoft and gross anatomy, elements embryology. Methods. Third method, comparative. The comparative methods anatomical organization of different animal types may reflect evolutionary relationships or divergence. Vertebrates share several characteristics found in phylum Chordata. There is a picture. You can see basic vertebrate body plan. There is a skull. There is embryons, a skull. There is a skull. Skull consists of brain and spinal cord. There is a spinal cord, and brain case. The consists of mouth, heart, digestive tract, and muscular tole, and anus. Fourth message gross, visibility unitary area, apertures, surveys, regional, systemic, the regional superficial internal structures within a defined area of the body. Systemic structure of major organ systems as a whole. Organs function together to produce coordinated effects. Our body consists of 11 organ systems. There are first skeletal systems, articular systems, muscular systems, digestive systems, respiratory system, urinary system, reproductive system, circulatory system, nervous system, integumentary system, and the endocrine system. Regional anatomy, the abdomen and the pelvis. Division of abdominal pelvic region into 4 quadrants. There is a right upper quadrant, there is a left upper quadrant, there is a right lower quadrant, there is a left lower quadrant. Right upper quadrant consists of right lobe, liver, gallbladder, right kidney, portions of stomach, small and large intestine. A left upper quadrant consists of left lobe of liver, stomach, pancreas, left kidney, spleen, portion of large intestine. Right lower quadrant there consists of a cecum, vermiform, appendix, and portions of small intestine, reproductive organs, right ovary in female, and the right spermatic cord in male, and the right urethra. Left lower quadrant consists of most of small intestine and portions of large intestine, left ureter, and reproductive organs, left ovary in female and left spermatic cord in male. However, can divide a feature of fascia into 9 abdominopelvic regions. There are there are right and left hypochondric regions and organizational levels. Molecular composition of the body using these atoms. Molecular composition of the human body. Our human body consists of 67% water, 20% proteins, 10% lipids, and 3% carbohydrates. Organization levels, cellular level, tissue level. Organismal level reflects interactions among organ systems. When functions normally, the internal environment is relatively stable at all levels. Each level is related. Change in the chemical level may affect the activity of the cell, which in turn affects the tissue, etc.